everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I am going to share with you my favourite yarn and the brand. I first watched Petra from Petra's Happy Place, and then I watched Daniel from Paw Ply Yarns, and I thought, well, why not share mine? Now you all know that I love cotton. I absolutely adore cotton, and I enjoy working with lace, finger weight and DK. They're my favourite weights of yarn that I like to work with. But I do enjoy working with chunky, with worsted, but the finger weight, the lace weight and the DK are my go-to weights of yarn. So these are in no particular order. I love King Cole chunky yarn, King Cole, DK, whatever, but I really do love King Cole yarn. This is a chunky and it's called Drifter, and it is 25% cotton, 6% wool and 69% acrylic, and it is so soft and it works up beautifully. I've made my chunky cardie with this and it was a delight to work with. Really nice, flowed off the needles no problem. So that is number one. So I'll just pop them over there out the way. The next one is Bayan. I love Bayan, or Madame Tricote Paris. This is a 75% acrylic and 25% merino, and it is a 2-weight, and I'm making a shawl out of this. This is really nice, not as soft as the chunky, but it is still nice, and it's really squeezable. Really nice. So this is another one of my favourite yarns. I can't use 100% wool. I can't. It just makes my hands swell. And the lovely Sadie from Sadie's Spincraft messaged me and asked me would I use her merino, superfine merino. So I thought, well, I'll give it a go. And it is lovely. It's a roving, and it's 100% marine, superfine merino, and 153 yards. And this is so soft and really nice to work with. So I really do. You'll find Sadie Spincraft on Facebook and on Instagram as well, and she does have a channel, a YouTube channel. So that is number 3. Then there's Barb, the lovely Barb in the Netherlands, Whisper SDI. This is, I think this is a lace weight, and Barbara dyed this yarn, and this is nice. This is I think this has got merino and silk in this one. I know I've got merino and lace, not lace, nylon, but this one I think has got the silk in. I can never remember, but I'm sure Barb will tell me what it is. I'm sure she told me, but what I need to do is put a label inside and that. But this is really nice and soft and squishy. As you can see, I've already caked it up. It comes in hanks, but I do believe if you haven't got a ball winder, she will actually cake them up for you. But I caked my own. It was just easier. I've got the equipment, so I thought I'd use it. So that is number 4. Another of Madame Bayan is the multicolour. I've made a jumper with this, and it's a DK. It's a yeah, it is. It's a DK number 3, and this is cotton and acrylic blend, and I love it. It feels like velvet, and it works so beautifully on a on my hook. I made a nice genie from On the Hook Crochet. I did her American Tank using not this particular yarn, colour of yarn, but a similar one, and it works up beautifully. And my favourite colour combination is blues and browns, and I just love it. It is so soft and beautiful to work with, so that is another of my favourite DK yarns. Number 6 is Derrimores. I absolutely adore Derrimores anti-pilling DK. It is absolutely beautiful. It's made in Turkey and it's 100% acrylic, and it is divine to work with. I've made a few projects with this yarn and it is just the most softest wearable yarn, especially a DK, and because that's all I ever used to use until I joined the fibre community, and then I've moved on to the lace weight and finger weight, and that I really love that. Well worth the money, and great value for money as well. You get 100 grams, which is 273 yards. So that is number 6. Number 7 is Yarn Art. This is by Hobie. You'll find this yarn in Hobie, which are based in Istanbul, Turkey. It is an acrylic, but it's a microfiber acrylic, and it is divine. It's what I'm making my granny square blanket with for the challenge this year, and it comes in a variety of different colours. This one, it doesn't tell you the colour, but it just gives you the colour 684, and it is a number 1, and it is a beautiful yarn. It crochets up so nice, and it just flows off the hook. Really like it, really like it. The next are from Hobie, which are in Denmark, and this twister yarn in the solids. I've got an assortment of colours in this. It is a cotton and acrylic blend, but it's so soft, gorgeous to work with, absolutely beautiful. It is a number 2 weight, which is a fingering weight, but it's gorgeous. I just love working with it, really do. I've got lots and lots of projects in mind for these yarns. You do get it's a combination of 55% cotton, 45% acrylic, and there are 437 yards. So for 2 of these you can get a nice shawl, for 3 you get a nice wearable. So I really do like these, really do. The next one is also from Hobie, and it is called the Cotton King's Twirls. This is absolutely divine to work with. I've started making a sweater, and I like this centre pull, which is so easy to work from the centre, and it is 4 strands. It's a 2 weight, and in this you have got 874, so you've got a shawl in a bowl, really, in a cake, and it is gorgeous, really nice. I love it, love the colours. They do a variety of different colours, and I just adore it. And last but not least, Shipyards. My favourite all-time brand has got to be Shipyards. Hobie yarns in second, and then Hobie and Yarn Art third. But it's a choice, and this is Shipyards. I'm actually using Shipyards Whale at the moment to make a shawl. They are most gorgeous, gorgeous yarn. You've got 455, so I would say 460 odd, maybe 470 meters in this 100-gram cake. It is 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It's made in China, and it is, I think it's yeah, it's a finger in weight, so which is a 2. It is absolutely beautiful to work with, and this is the whale, and this has got 215 to 225 grams, but there are 1,000 meters in that, which is well over 1,000 yards, and again a fingering. And so yeah, those are my 10 favourite yarns, and I have got other yarns, but these are the ones that I've used, so I can give my feedback on what I have actually used. It's no use me saying, oh, I like Karen and I like Mandala, because I've not used them yet. They're in my stash, but I've not used them. And same with Paw Ply Yarns. Beautiful yarn. I've not used it, so I can't comment on because I haven't used them. So I would be delighted if you could if you would do the same. Tell me what your favourite 10 yarns or brand of yarn is, and I hope to see you all again real soon. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to yourselves. Bye.